मेरी कलमों
ਡੰਡਾਉਦ ਬੰਦਨ ਅਨਕਬਾਰ ਸਰਬ ਕਲਾ ਸਮਰੱਥ ਡੋਲਣ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਹੱਥ तेरे जोर मैं गूंगा कहता हूँ तेरा सदका तेरी शरण सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जीओ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਆਕਾਰ ਕਰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ we're blessed again to be gathered together to be reflecting on the teachings through the Vara of Bhai Sahib Bhai Gurdas Sahib Ji, who was blessed by our fifth Guru Shਹੀਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਰਤਾਜ Sri Guru Arjan Dev Sahib Ji as giving their Vara being the key to understanding Gurbani and understanding Gursikhi. In the last pauri, the third pauri, we understood why our human life form is the highest life form. But a question arises, human life form we know in this, they live in this earth, and the 84 lakh June we can see them on this earth. But has Vaheguru created all the other universes? How many universes are there? What is the expanse of Vaheguru Ji's creation? And Bhai Sahib Ji continues to tell us, Oankar Akar Kar. So first of all, just like we know in Japji Sahib, Ik Oankar starts everything. There's one Vaheguru and Oankar is the creator. Bhai Sahib Ji uses the same Shabad. Oankar Akar Kar. Akar is the form. The form is created through the Shabad Oankar. Oankar, Oankar Brahma Utpat, Oankar Kiya Jinchit. Again in Gurbani, these are pankti that we read, that Oankar, through that Shabad, everything was created in an instant. Ek Kabao Pasao Pasara. So just through that word, Oankar, just through the power of that one Oankar Vaheguru, everything is created. And we've already heard Panch Tat Parvan Kar, the 5 elements of fire, water, air, earth and ether. Putting those together, they were Parvan, they're the main elements. Kat Kat Andar Tripavan Sara, we were created, but then within us, we can see all this expanse ourselves. Through meditation of the Shabad and becoming one with Vaheguru, we get to see the Tripavan. That Tripavan, all this universe, all this expanse, all the universes, we can find within ourselves through developing that love with the Lord and developing the Simran of the Shabad within ourselves. In a small form, it's within us, but it's also outside of us. All the universes are there and they were created by Vaheguru. We cannot describe Vaheguru. And Bhai Sahib Ji continues, Qadar kinena lakheya. So Qadar, the creator, cannot be seen by anybody. We already know that they permeate everything. They exist everywhere. Qudrat Saj kiya avatara. So they've put all this Qudrat, this universe and all other universes together, and they are live in there within themselves in their infinite form. Ikdu Qudrat Lakh Kar. So from one Qudrat, from one Ikdu Qudrat Lakh Kar. They've made hundreds of thousands. So it's not just this world that was created by Vaheguru. Vaheguru is the creator of all universes. Lakh Beyant Asank Apara. Hundreds and thousands Beyant. There's no end. Asank. We cannot count the Apara. We cannot account for all the creation because the creation is infinite. And Vaheguru exists in that, as Bhai Sahib Ji continues. Rom vich rakhiyon. So if you imagine our rom, our paws, our hairs on our body, if you imagine Vaheguru's form within their body, their rom, all this creation exists, and because they're infinite, the creation must be infinite. Kar Brahmand Karod Sumara. So Brahmand, we can take that as the worlds, or we can take that as universes and galaxies. There are crore, millions, tens of millions. Pav, infinite is the creation. Ekas Brahmand vich. So within each of those Brahmands, within each universe, within each world, within each galaxy, Das kar avatar utara. Now we know Vaheguru has 3 Shaktiyan. The Shakti are known as Brahma, Vishnu, and Shivji. Brahma is the creative aspect, Vishnu is the nourisher aspect, and Shivji is the deliverer, destroyer aspect. Now the nourisher form is sent down. There are 10 forms, or the 10 different forms of the nourisher aspect are sent. So all those worlds are nourished. That's the Shakti, the power of Vaheguru. They send their nourisher aspect Shakti, the power that they nourish us with, they send that in all those Brahmans, in all those universes, all those galaxies, all those worlds. So any forms that are there, they can be nourished at the same time, just like we're nourished here. Kete Ved Beas Kar. So what have they created? Ved Beas Kar. Ved are like the 4 Veds. And Beas Rikhi was one of those who believed in the Veds. So Beas Rikhi, they've created many of those. So we can take that as deities. Many deities and spiritual prophets have been created and they exist all over the place. Not just one of those, many have been created. We're seeing the greatness of Waheguru as being one and the Almighty, the All-Powerful. And at the same time, Kei Kateb Muhammadiyara. So Kei Kateb, the Katebs are like the four Semitic faiths. And Muhammad Sahib, Muhammad Sharif, they've created many forms of them. Many prophets have been created, many deities have been created, because Waheguru is the Almighty, the All-Powerful creator of everything. And finally, Kudrat Ek Eta Pasara. Kudrat Ek. So from one Kudrat, one Waheguru, one form, they've created many, and that is the greatness of our Waheguru. All creation is infinite because Waheguru is infinite and they exist in all of that. This is the teaching of Bhai Gurdas Sahib Ji. God is infinite in this body and all their creation is infinite. We cannot find an end to it. If I've made any mistakes, I've offended anybody, I beg for forgiveness. Please bless me so I can continue reflecting on the teachings so we can all understand the key to Gurbani. Deho Sajjana Sisriyan, Jehovah Sahib Shumail, Lekh hai Kat Hena Shutiya, Khen Khen Pulanhar, Baksanhar Baksla, Nanak Par Utar, Kudrat Ik Eta Pasara. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
मेरी कल्लों